Today we're going to show you how to use Restrict Content Pro and the Monster Insights Enhanced eCommerce add-on to get the data that's important to increasing your signups and building your business. If you're using Restrict Content Pro, you're probably wondering if you can see more information than what's found inside the reports. And no doubt you're asking if you can see that data without having to mess with code and leave your site. Well, there is, so stick around and make sure to check out the links that we've left in the description, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and be part of the conversation. So if you're ready, let's get started. First, if you haven't already done so, you'll need to purchase Monster Insights Pro by going to MonsterInsights.com. Now, once you've made your purchase, you'll just need to download the zip file under the Downloads tab. Once it's downloaded to your computer, you'll then need to upload the plugin to your WordPress site. Now, to do that, all you have to do is go to your admin sidebar, hover your mouse over Plugins, and then click on Add New. Next, click on the Upload Plugins button at the top of the page, and then hit the Choose File button, then click on the Install button. Now, once the plugin's been installed, all you have to do is click on Activate Plugin button. Next, you'll need to connect Monster Insights to your Google Analytics account. It's simple, just follow the steps using our setup wizard. Now, if you're still a little unsure, that's okay. You can read our step-by-step guide on properly setting up Google Analytics and Monster Insights, and it will walk you through the entire process. All right, now we're going to install the Monster Insights eCommerce add-on. To do that, you'll just need to hover your mouse over Insights on your admin sidebar, and then click on Add-ons, and then locate the eCommerce add-on, and simply click Install. All right, you're doing great, and you're almost there. Now that you've activated the eCommerce add-on in Monster Insights, the next thing you'll need to do is turn on Enhanced eCommerce in Google Analytics. So first, head over to your Google Analytics account and log in. And then select the website that you'd like to enable e-commerce tracking for. Next, at the bottom left of the screen, you'll need to click on the admin icon. All right, now in the right column, you'll need to click e-commerce settings. Now you're looking at the e-commerce setup page, so just move the slider from off to on. Now, once you do that, another slider will appear labeled Enable Enhanced eCommerce Reporting. So go ahead and move that one from off to on as well. All right, now don't forget to hit that Save button, and you're done here. So you'll want to head back over to your WordPress site. All right, now we're going to enable Enhanced eCommerce in Monster Insights and connect Restrict Content Pro. On your admin sidebar, hover your mouse over Insights, and then click on Settings. Then at the top of the page, click on the eCommerce tab, and then scroll down and enable the Use Enhanced eCommerce option. All right, great. Now, once that's enabled, you'll notice that the toggle has also been enabled for Restrict Content Pro. Now, that means that Monster Insights has automatically found and connected your site with Restrict Content Pro. So now you'll start seeing data from Google Analytics about Restrict Content Pro right inside your WordPress reporting dashboard. Okay, so now you're probably asking, how do I see the Restrict Content Pro data? So here's how. First, if you're not already there, go to the Reports Overview page. Now, once you're there, click on the eCommerce Report tab at the top of the page. Now you're going to see a lot of data. So your conversion rate is the number of visitors who signed up divided by the number of people who visited your site. And next you'll see transactions. Now that's the number of paid signups that you have. Then the revenue column is the amount of revenue that you've generated from your signups. The average order value, of course, is the average amount that you've been paid per signup. Next, you'll see your top products report. Now, each product represents the membership page where you got your signups. After that, you'll see top conversion sources. Now, that's a report that shows the number of purchases that were made as a result of someone clicking a link on another site and coming to your site and making a purchase. At the bottom of the page, you're going to find the time to purchase and sessions to purchase. Now, that helps you to see if visitors came to your site multiple times before they purchased a membership and other information. Now, if you'd like to know more about the other reports that you get with Monster Insights and Monster Insights Pro, then you'll want to read our ultimate guide to Monster Insights dashboard reports. Now, don't miss your opportunity to get a special discount on Monster Insights by clicking on the link in the description. And to learn more Monster Insights tips, tricks, and techniques, just click one of the videos on your screen now.